So here the percentage of crossing over between two genes is 10. The percentage of crossing over between two genes is 10. The distance between these two genes will be. So 1% crossing over takes place is nothing but one map unit. Distance between two genes is 1 map unit. And 2% recombination is there. There is distance is 2%. 2 map units. As like that, there is 10% crossing over takes place is nothing but 10 map units or 10 centimorgans. The distance between genes is called, say, is considered with centimorgans, right, or map units. It is depending upon the crossing over depending upon map units. So 10% crossing over or 10% recombination is equal to, there is 10 centimorgans or 10 map units. Okay, right. Next question. If gene frequency between genes A and C is 2%, B and C is 13%, A and B is 15%, C and D is 17%, A and D is 19%. What will be the sequence of these genes in chromosomes? By the given data, you can find on what sequence the genes are arranged on the chromosome. It is possible? Yes. How it is possible? What given data? In the data what given? 4 genes, some of the distantly arranged on the chromosome A, B, C and D. So distance between genes given. So by that, on what sequence the genes are arranged, you can find. It's very easy. First, you should consider which genes are more distantly arranged. 2% no, 13% no, 15 no, 17 no, 19. You should consider this. A and D is 19. Means what? First A, last D. You understood or not? First A gene, last D gene is presented on the chromosome because more distance. Okay. Next, A and B is 15, C and D is 17 and A and C is 2%. A and C is 2% means what? First A, last D. Okay. A and C 2% means beside the A only C is presented. So order is A, comma C. Last D. Between what is there? B is there. B and C is equal 13%. Obviously it will come. So whenever you can write one line and arrange the gene sequence, it will come. By the seeing only you can do the answer. You can give the answer. While doing the objectives, whenever you take more percentage, that is A and D, first A, last D, beside the A, C is there because 2%. Okay, A, comma C, last D, between that what is there? B is there. So what is option? A, C, B, D. Whenever you count that, the percentage will come. Clear? Right. Next question. In Morgan experiment, what will be the percentage of recombination in case of body color and eye color in Drosophila? In Morgan's experiment, what will be the percentage of recombination in case of body color and eye color in Drosophila? So Morgan done 2 crosses. One is eye color and body color, and second one is eye color and wings. Right? So eye color and body color. in cross A, how much percentage of recombinations are formed? 98.7% parental varieties and 1.3% recombination is formed. Remembered or not? Right? The percentages are most important because of the genes are closely presented. These two genes are, so less recombination formed, very less, and 98.7% parental. Clear? Right. Next question. The crossover frequencies between the genes A and B, A and C, B and C is 6%, 15%, 21% respectively. What is their sequence of gene on chromosome? The crossover frequencies between the genes A and B, A and C, B and C is between A and B how much? 6%, A and C how much? 15%, B and C how much? 21%, right? So what is their sequence of genes on chromosome? So whatever we discussed in the question of question number 9, same type of the question. Do the answer. I am not revealing the answer. Do it. If anyone has doubt, just message me. I'll give the explanation, right? Otherwise, by tomorrow class, I will reveal it. Okay. Same type of the question. Just you take one line, you draw one line by the given data, how the genes are arranged on chromosome. You can get it easily, right? Okay. Question number 12. Two linked genes A and B show 20% recombination. The individuals of dihybrid cross between plus plus into AB shall show gametes. Two linked genes A and B show 20% recombination. Small a small b show how much percent recombination? 20%. 20% means how much map units? 20 map units A and B is presented. So the individuals of dihybrid cross between plus into AB by AB shall show gametes. So what type of the gametes are shows in F1? Question not given completed, right? In F1 generation, gametes ratio. In F1 generation, gametes ratio. See here, A and B, between A and B, 20% recombination is there, means 20 map units. So what are parents? Plus, AB, these are dominant, these are recessive. Consider that. Okay. So in that, whenever A and B 20% is presented, right? So more parental varieties are formed or more recombinant varieties are formed here. There is a chance for more parental varieties and less recombinant varieties. Take this parents as a parents plus and AB. So what are gametes? Plus are gametes, AB is gametes. F1 generation what? Plus AB is the F1 generation, right? I am writing here. You can do it also, right? F1 gametes plus AB. This is F1 generation, progeny, not gamete. From this, what are gametes? Plus one gamete, AB one gamete, plus A one gamete, plus B one gamete. Okay, 4 different varieties. So what is the ratio? So maximum parental varieties are formed. So plus 40, AB 40% and plus A 10%, plus B 10%. Less recombination here. There is more parental varieties. You got it or not? Right? From this you make the gametes. You can get the answer. Okay. Do it like whatever